Staying connected with nature makes me feel calm and refreshed. When I'm outdoors, surrounded by trees, flowers, and rivers, I can escape from the stress of daily life and find peace. Nature reminds me of the simple beauty in the world and helps me feel more grounded and balanced. It's like a natural therapy that recharges my mind and spirit. I feel deeply connected to nature, and being in it makes me feel peaceful and calm. Nature helps me to appreciate the beauty of the world and reminds me of the need to protect it for future generations. It's a vital part of a life that deserves care and respect.